Buddy, it's Maxwell the cat from the shorts that on me. Let's get to 50 subscribers so I can be live. Because I only have one so far. So, this is part 1. Let's using the trucks. And let's try to beat the end with these trucks. And we're not going to fall because we have these wood plank in the tire. So this is the obstacle. Obstacle 1. Obstacle 2 is very hard, this one. Obstacle 2. It's very large. Oh my god. I didn't know that thing was there. And obstacle 3 is pretty the hardest one. Because it's a very huge. That's a bit hard. This one's just the super hard one. Because you have to pass this thing. I don't know what these red things are, but I don't want to touch it. Because last time I touched it, it broke my phone. So I'm not going to touch that thing. Okay, let's start the challenge. So this might going to take long and I don't want it. What happened to my screen? Never mind. Let's try this again. Okay, that worked now. So this is going to be a long time. So I don't know how to edit so far, but I have a lot of shorts now. So far, none of them have a lot of likes. Every time my YouTube account gets banned, even I don't know why. I don't know why every time my YouTube account gets banned. Oh my god. My voice sucks today because I'm sick. And yes, I have a cough. Oh, this is the hard part. There's a chance we might fall. What? Okay, let's just see if we'll make it to the end. I hope we might. And we stop. Never mind. Straight this again. And actually, I didn't spend money on the map. It's for free. You just go to creative and you find this green hills. And you press on it and you press it. And now you go to creator land and that's how it works. Tomorrow I'm going to play challenge scene. I'm going to show you guys my challenge. Let's beat the hard bosses too. I don't even have a hero so far, but I have a lot of legendaries. This is the hard part now. Let's see if we can survive. Also, you guys, by the way, when you run out of gas and you're still moving, that doesn't count. But you run out of gas and you're not moving, it's going to do the thing. It's going to stop. But this is going to take a long time. So we passed obstacle 1. Obstacle 2 is very hard. But it's going to take long for obstacle 2. I forgot. Tomorrow I cannot play because I have to go to the hospital. But where was that? Oh, I have to go to the hospital in December 26. But Merry Christmas to y'all. Jolly jollies. And actually, I live in Philippines, but I know to English too and Tagalog. Oh yeah, it's going to take a long time, so you guys can watch. So you guys can watch on your tablet if you have two phones, two tablets, or two computers. You guys can use that. Since I don't even have I only have one phone because if this thing dies, is that earthquake? Oh! 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 Stay calm, everyone. Earthquake in Philippines. Oh no. Oh, it was just my dog shaking the bed. I thought that was an earthquake. Damn, Scratch. Yeah, my dog's name is Scratch. She's a boy. Actually, he's a girl. Actually, she's a boy. Don't mind me calling her she, because she's gay. It's going to take so long. It's already 3 minutes and 43 seconds. I think we're going to reach 5 minutes to go in the obstacle 2. Obstacle 2 is very long. Very far away. So long. Damn it, Scratch, did you poop again? Wait guys, BRB. Okay, I'm done. Yay! Oh, you're telling me how did I do that fast? I used the vacuum cleaner. Don't tell me, just don't tell anyone. My phone almost died there. Cause if my phone shuts down, the recording will be gone. I already gas, but I don't even want to gas. No. Yes, we will not reach that gas under there. It's so low 5. Please don't give me that gas. Thank you. Yes. We only touched 2 gas so far. 2 free coins. Why only $1? No! Give me that coin! Yes! That coin almost gone. It's very big. 6 minutes. I thought 5 minutes were already in the obstacle too, but not. This is only 3 cars so far. I don't know what happened to the other cars. Finally, low fuel. Oh, no more fuel. Nice. Let the buy up 87. 7 minutes. Come on. trying to reach obstacle 2. And by the way, I have a $1 in my phone case, but I don't have a camera to record it. So sorry. Don't tell me we're going to reach there in 8 minutes. Sushi. In the Philippines, it's 7:04. We're the obstacle 2. Uh-oh. No! We didn't even reach that so far. No! No! Well, see you guys. See you tomorrow for the Dragon City. Bye!